We're right across the street from Astro Park, and that makes it crazy here. This is where jeepneys are connecting from Angeles to Mabalacat and a little bit everywhere. Alright, so 5 p.m. Then it looks like this. Everybody's going home. And it's noisy. And over there is Astro Park. So ho, ho, ho. The sun is about to go down, so hopefully the camera will do. So we're coming up here on Walking Street, and we're gonna grab a jeepney there and get up to Angeles. They have some street food places there, so we're gonna take a look at it. I've never been there personally. Humberto been there a few times, so that's I'm glad I'm not on my motorcycle. So here we have a barber salon or a studio. They do a pretty good job, actually. My wife has been there a couple of times. So down there to the right where you see McDonald's, it's the Plaza Hotel, and Walking Street is right there. If you see the McDonald's sign, that's the famous Walking Street. Not going to go in there today. Right down there where you see the sun setting down, that's Walking Street. So I have to shoot right into the sun, and might not be the best. But anyway. Bless you. Alright, so we're right here in Balibago, McDonald's, Walking Street, from a different view. and we are going to try to catch up with a jeepney here. This one here. All right. All right. How much is it? How much is it?
9
Per person. Okay, I'll pay for it. And then you can pay going back. Huh? Hey, Umberto. It's for 3 people. 3, yeah.
Bayad daw po. Bayad po. Ano ba? Yan. Sanay po po ma'am.
All right, so we're on the jeepney and heading up that way.
Mapinta ka sa ganda mo lang yan. Ang sabi. What a coincidence.
All right, that's the rider's point of view.
Mapinta ka sa ganda mo lang yan. Ang sabi. What a coincidence.
All right, that's the rider's point of view.
Masalita mo lang yan. Ang sabi. Pinatang po tayo na kami sa. What a coincidence. Bakit? renta mo lang guys. Ang sarap eh. Pinatol po tayo na kami sa what a coincidence. Right po.
Seems like this place is always busy. Like this place is always busy. It's absolutely crazy, isn't it? Anyway, we're heading back, and we just got a quick run at it, and we got us some food and got us some other goodies, green papaya, no, mango. And some vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, a little bit of everything. Anyway, thank you for watching, and God bless.